In this video, I'm going to explain how to find Thevenin's resistance of any network. When we have to find RTH of any network, first thing we have to put all voltage sources as short circuit, and we have to put all current sources as open circuit. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's take example. Here is voltage source V, that is 40 volt. Okay, and here is a resistance. Here is another resistance which is 10, and this is also 10 ohm. Okay, and here is another resistance, and here is another resistance. This is 10 ohm and this is 5 ohm. Okay, and we have to find RTH here. So here is voltage source, and we have to put this voltage source as short circuit, and let's take resistance as it is. This is 5 ohm, this is 10, this is also 10 ohm, this is also 10 ohm. Okay, so these two resistance are in series, and this will equal to 10 plus 10, that is 20, and this is 10 ohm here, and here is 5 ohm, and we have to find here RTH here. Okay, so this becomes 20 is parallel to 10, so 20 parallel to 10, and this is in series, then it will become plus 10, 5 ohm. Okay, so 20 into 10 divided by 20 plus 10 plus 5, and 20 into 10 is equal to 200 divided by 30 plus 5. Okay, so 1010 cancel, and 20 by 3 plus 5, and this will equal to 20 plus 15 divided by 3, and this will equal to 20 plus 15, that is 35 divided by 3. Okay, so this is answer. Thank you.